Hello student, good morning, welcome back. So today I am going to discuss some MCQ question in light chapter. So this is our first question. A smooth shining surface which rebounds the light back in same or in different direction is called mirror. Okay. So we take any mirror. Okay, so mirror has two surface. Okay, one surface polished and another is a shiny surface. Okay, when light fall on upper surface of this mirror and after that it reflected to the same medium. Okay, I mean the return back to the same medium here, and these are called incident rays and these rays are called reflected ray. Okay, so now we see that second question, beam of light striking the reflecting surface is called. Okay, so beam of lights, I mean the number of lights. Okay, so these are the beams of lights. Okay, and this is a mirror. Okay, so that is a called, these all rays are called incident rays. Okay, band of seven colors is called, so band of seven color, that is a called spectrum. Okay, so here Vibgyor. Okay, so what is the meaning of V? Violet. I represent here indigo. Okay, B represent here blue. G represent here green. Okay, Y represent here yellow. So okay, yes, Y represent here yellow. O represent here orange. Orange. And R represent here red. Okay, its color is already red, so it's a red. Okay, in case of reflection of light, the angle of incidence, okay, and the angle of reflection are related to. Okay, so here which relation is true here? A number relation, I is equal to R, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, these are the rays. Okay, and this is the angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection. Okay, so I is equal to R, this is our relation, I is equal to R, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. What is the angle of incidence of ray if the reflected ray is at an angle of 90 degree to the incident ray? Okay, here this is our mirror. Okay, so incident ray and after, and this is a reflected ray. Okay, and this is a normal. Okay, so what is the angle of incident of a ray if the reflected ray is an angle of 90 degree to the incident ray? Okay, this is angle of 90 degree. Okay, so what is the angle of incidence? This is the 45 because I is equal to R. I is equal to R. Okay, so this total angle is 90 degree. So this is the I. You see that here. This is the angle I and this is the angle R. I is equal to R. So 90. Okay, so I. So okay. So we need space here. I plus R is equal to 90 degree. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so I plus R is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so I is equal to R. Okay, so we put here I plus I. Okay, it becomes 2I and 2I is equal to 90 degree. So I is equal to 45 degree. I is equal to 45 degree here. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, 45. So here this is angle 45 degree. Okay, the splitting of white light into its 7 constituent color is called dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. This is a red. Okay, and okay, this is a red and this is a violet. Okay, and there are other colors also between these two colors. Okay, this is called dispersion of light. Okay, if the angle of incident of light falling on a plane mirror is 30 degree, what will be the angle of reflection? Okay, so this is a plane mirror. Okay, and this is a incident ray and this is a reflected ray. Okay, so if the angle of incidence of light falling on a plane is 30 degree, if this is a 30 degree, so what about R? Okay, so we already know that I is equal to R, angle of incident is equal to angle of R by laws. Okay, law of reflection. Okay, so here if I is equal to 30 degree, Okay, I already given here. Okay, angle of incidence is 30 degree. So I is equal to 30 degree. So R will be also 30 degree. Okay, so R is equal to 30 degree. Light passing through a prism split into 7 colors. This is called dispersion of light. This is called dispersion of light. Okay. Rainbow is a natural phenomenon showing reflection. Which of the following is not a luminous object? Okay, luminous objects. Which is following is not a luminous object? Sun is a luminous object. Candle is a luminous object. Tube light is a luminous object. But moon is not a luminous object. So our answer is C. Moon is not a luminous object. Okay, so what is a luminous object? Which can produce their own light. Okay. To make a kaleidoscope, we require how many plane mirror we required? 3 plane mirror. Okay. Angle of reflection is always to the angle of incident. Angle of reflection R and angle of incident I. Okay, so always equal. Always equal. I is equal to R. I is equal to R. Okay. Okay, so both incident ray and reflected ray lie in the same plane. It is true or false? It is true. Incident ray and this is a reflected ray. Both lie on the same side of plane mirror. Okay, this side of plane mirror both are. Okay, so this is a true. Beam of light striking the reflecting surface each. Okay, so beams of light striking the reflecting surface is called, what is called is incident rays. That is a beam of light striking the reflecting surface. These are the beam of lights. I made a multiple number of lines. Okay, what makes object visible? Okay, the reflected light from the object. Reflected light from the objects. Okay, so our next question is here. If the angle of incident is 50 degree, then calculate the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray. Okay, so now we have to find the, okay, so angle of incidence is given here 50 degree. So we already know that I is equal to R. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so angle of I already given here 50. Okay, you see that here, angle of incident already given here, that is a 50. So R should be also equal to 50. Okay, and the angle between incident ray and reflected ray, 1 minute. Okay, so this is a incident ray and this is a reflected ray. Okay, and this is a normal and this is a I and this is a R. Okay, so what asked in question? Calculate the angle between incident ray and reflected ray. So here the angle between incident ray and reflected ray, I plus R. Okay, so what is the I? 50 degree and R also 50 degree. So 50 plus 50, it becomes 100. Okay, so our answer is 100. So okay, our next question is refer to collection of rays, beam. Which of the following travel faster? Okay, so our first option is jet aeroplane, second sound, third light, and fourth supersonic plane. So its our answer is light. Its speed 3 to 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. What makes the object visible? Light. An example of luminous object. Okay. Example of luminous object which can produce their own light. Okay. So smooth surface, it is a wrong answer. Mirror, wrong. Cloth, wrong. And its answer is star. Okay. With what is glass coated in order to convert it into a mirror? Okay. So this is any glass. Okay. So we polish one surface of this glass. So we need silver. How many images are obtained when plane mirror are arranged parallel to each other? Okay. Then infinite number of images formed. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. I is equal to R. Which of the following is used by ENT doctors? Okay, which mirror? Concave mirror. It look like this structure. Concave mirror. What is the phenomenon of light bouncing back into the same medium called reflection? Bouncing back to same medium. Okay, bouncing back to same medium. So that is a reflection. Speed of light is faster in air, water, diamond, glass. Air. Speed of light is faster in air. Splitting of white light. Okay, splitting of white ray of light into 7 color is called dispersion of light. A number of rays from different direction assemble at a point. Okay, assemble at a point is called convergent rays. Okay, so all rays assemble at a one point. Okay, so this point is called converging point. Okay, what is the name of object through which light can pass? Transparent. The image formed by plane mirror. Okay, already given here. Virtual and erect. Okay, and you see that, and this is a plane mirror. Okay, and this is a object. Okay, the distance of this object from this mirror is u. Okay, if u is equal to 10 centimeter, we take here. So what will be the distance of object from this mirror? That should be also equal to 10 centimeter, because the distance of object from mirror is equal to the distance of image from this object. I mean from this mirror. Okay, I mean distance of u is equal to v. Both are u is equal to v. We can write here. The process of bending of 7 color is called dispersion. Okay, so reflection is absorption of light rays by the surface of an object, passing of light rays through the surface of an object, and bouncing back of light rays from the surface object, and D known. Its answer is C. Bouncing back of light rays from the surface object. Bouncing back. Okay, return back to the same medium. Okay, so our next question is the angle between incident ray and normal is called. Okay, the angle between incident ray, and this is incident ray and this is the normal, is I. Angle of incidence, B. The lens present in eye is, okay, so convex lens. Structure look like this. Okay, this is a convex lens, and concave lens structure look like this. Concave lens. Okay, kaleidoscope is based on the pattern of multiple reflections. Okay, when two mirrors are placed parallel to each other, when two mirrors are placed parallel to each other and a candle is placed in the center of the mirror, so number of images will be formed here. Infinite number of images formed here. Okay, so beam of light striking the reflecting surface is called, so beam of light reflecting the reflecting surface is called incident rays. Okay, so this is a structure of plane mirror, this is a structure of concave mirror, and this is a structure of convex mirror. Okay, convex mirror, and this is a 1 minute. Yes, this is a convex mirror and this is a concave mirror. Okay, this is a converging point, focus of this mirror. Okay, this all lights comes parallel from infinity, and after striking the shining surface of this mirror, okay, so converge at a point, converge at a single point, that is called a focus. F is represent here, focus. Okay, so I will discuss rest of the question in my next lecture. Thank you for watching.